How long should we wait, Mr. Sood?
Just 5 more minutes.
Do you still have a doubt? What are you expecting, Mr. Sood? What do you think? What will happen to me?
Did you see, Milord? Didn't I tell you?
Mr. Sood, you should go out of the court. You don't even understand a joke. I asked you, what would happen to me? What do you think? You didn't even understand. I can wait here for as long as you want, Mr. Sood. Moreover, it's been long since we had lunch in the cabin of our honorable judge.
Sir, he can wait for long as he wants to. But as you know, I need to attend an important press conference. My dad, Mr. Krishnakant Reddy, is waiting for me. And he would be very disappointed if I am not allowed to reach there on time despite not making any mistake. Well, I would like to leave all this to the Honorable Court and your wisdom.
I think that Mr. Shrikant Reddy is right.
Your Honor, just 5 more minutes, please.
It's enough, Mr. Sood. I cannot waste the time of the court. I would like to tell the police something before passing my judgment. It is another evidence of their carelessness. They did not even check the lab report properly. Sugar was mentioned as drugs, and on that basis, the court considers Shrikant Reddy innocent and acquits him from all the charges. The court is adjourned.
Siddhant!
I can't talk to you right now.
But where are you going? The media is waiting here.
I don't believe in cheap publicity. The media will talk to Shrikant.
Anushka, we are getting late. Dad must be waiting.
See, this is for emergency services. You can't make us wait like this. Tell me soon, what's the emergency?
That is what even I am unable to understand.
Yes, dear.
Mom, we won the case.
Wow, congratulations. I will thank God for this.
Okay. My friends are asking for a party.
Even I want you to give us party.
Don't wait for me tonight, please. I'll be late. And inform Dad too.
Okay, listen to... He's always in haste. Oh Lord, thank you very much.
Anushka, what happened?
Siddhant has won the case. The court acquitted brother.
Where is Siddhant now?
I don't know where he went through the back gate.
Open this.
What happened to you?
Oh, his condition seems to be very bad. Slowly, slowly.
Doctor, what is this?
We will see that later. For now, going to the press conference with Shrikant is more important. KK is waiting for us. Come on, come. This is an overdose of a drug. The case is serious. Get me the injection.
Hey, did you take drugs? And you asked me to stand there like a fool. Why didn't you tell me about it?
So, in Shrikant Reddy versus the state case, the court acquitted Shrikant. His lawyer Siddhant Sinha challenged the court and said that this allegation was a conspiracy against the Reddy Corporation.
I think you should immediately inform his family.
Whom should I call?
Come what may, my family shouldn't come to know anything.
Driver, let's go.
Brother? What happened in the court? Was it actually sugar?
Like I said, I didn't do anything. I'm innocent.
He's driving the ambulance so recklessly. Looks like it will take a few more people to the hospital.
Oh, what's happened to him? Do something, please.
Nurse, get the injection ready.
Sir, his temperature and pulse are very high.
The next half an hour will be very crucial.
Do something then. Just don't talk.
We are trying. You should have thought about it before consuming so much drugs.
After consuming so much drugs, I'm sure he has to get hospitalized somewhere. Search him in all the hospitals and also in the hotels. He might have called a doctor over there. And if he has changed his name, check his identity proof.
Don't worry at all. I will alert all the police stations. He will not be able to get away. Hey, why did the ambulance stop?
We have reached the hospital.
Don't take me to any hospital or hotel. No, Mr. Sweetie. Don't take me there at any cost, okay?
No, no, no. I cannot admit him into a hospital.
Are you out of your mind? You are neither calling his family nor are you getting him hospitalized. Are you his friend or an enemy?
Sorry, doctor. I cannot do this.
All right. Here, take this and sign this form. After that, do whatever you want to.
What's written in this?
It says that we are not responsible for his life. If something happens to him, you will be responsible for it.
No, no, no. I cannot do this. You do whatever you want to do. What is clearly obvious needs no proof at all. KK had said that patience always pays off, even if delayed. Justice. India's judicial system does not differentiate between the rich, the poor, the powerful, and the weak. All are equal.
Don't search him by his name. Recognize him by his photo. He is a big fraud. He might have changed his name.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now go and check there.
Yes, sir.
A man by this name is admitted in your hospital.
We didn't find him anywhere, sir. I checked the hospitals of the entire city, but all in vain. His phone was switched off, and even his assistant's phone is switched off. But, sir, don't worry at all. I have put my entire force on red alert, sir. We are keeping a close watch on the whole of Delhi and the NCR. We have even deployed 2 men at his residence.
How did Siddhant Sinha deceive me? Where did he go? Dad, you?
This suit is so amazing. No matter how the person is, dark or fair complexioned, rich or poor, the moment you wear it, it hides your reality. But when you take it off, the real face of that man is his character, which comes out. And this is the real identity of a man. Your real identity is that you are my elder son and the Reddy Trust's head from today.
Yes.
I have done a lot to build this empire. You should not hamper this by anything that you do.
Yes, yes.
I am going to become the biggest businessman of India. Siddhant has saved you today.
The number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please call again later. The number you have dialed is currently switched off.
Siddhant, where are you? Why is the phone switched off?
This should not happen again. Never, ever. All right?
But Dad, I didn't do anything. I was being framed in all this.
I know everything. And you. He is your husband. His well-being, it is your responsibility. You should know which matter of your husband should not be leaked and which matter should be told to KK. Today you have failed in your duty. This should not happen again.
Father-in-law? Only because of you he got upset with me. I'll never forgive you.
What happened? Do you want to say something?
No, I needed to ask you something. Please tell me the truth. Was there drugs or not?
Why do you want to know? What help would it be to you? The matter has ended, right? Anushka, what difference does it make if there were drugs or not? It has already been proven in court. That's it. Where the heck is this Siddhant?
What work do you have with Siddhant?
I have to tell him what he should say to Dad if he asks something.
Brother, you still didn't answer my question.
Which question, Anu?
Tell me one thing. Was there drugs or sugar in that pouch? Brother, please, don't lie. I'm your sister. We have an unsaid bond between us. If you don't tell the truth, that trust and fate will shatter, brother. Please.
Yes, there were drugs in that pouch. I would say these drugs will knock out 3 or 4 men. But those drugs weren't mine. But still, look, please don't tell Dad anything about this. Or else it will be very difficult to explain all this to him.
You mean Siddhant's life was really in danger? Deliberately you put him in that situation, right? Just to win the case. How can you do that, brother? How can you be so relaxed? You didn't even try to find out where he is and what his condition is.
Look, first of all, I didn't know that he would do something like this. He's not a child or something. Whatever he did, it was his own decision. And please, stop lecturing me, okay?
Brother, how could you, Siddhant? How could you do this? It's not good to be so ambitious. Such a huge risk. He could have died, Siddhant. Where are you, Siddhant? Where are you?
Oh God, thank you so much that the boy has finally woken up. Wake up, Siddhant. Take it easy now.
What is this?
It is Ayurvedic. I know a local doctor. He gave it to me. Because of the blessings of God and this, you have woken up. This is made of herbs, cow dung and cow's urine.
Are you experimenting this on me? where are we now?
You had asked us not to go to any hotel, hospital, or anybody's house. So this place is good. At first, I thought I was making a big mistake. I thought of breaking my promise and getting you admitted to a hospital.
You get so emotional, sweetie. Siddhant Sinha will not die so easily, alright? I know that you are talking about your father. I promise that I won't let anything happen to him, even if I have to put my life at risk.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.